Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, I'd like to demonstrate the process to apply different design in different slides while creating a PowerPoint presentation. Let me prepare a sample PowerPoint presentation first, then I'll demonstrate. Now, the presentation is ready to play and I am going to play the slideshow. As you can see, all the slides are similar because when we choose a theme for a presentation, by default system will provide the same theme for all the slides. Now we can apply different design for the different slides as per our preference. The steps are, first of all, we have to select the slide, then come to the design tab, choose the theme from the list, right click on it, a list will be popped up and you have to choose apply to selected slides option. By this way you can set different design for different slides. You can apply the same for multiple slides. With the help of CTRL button you can select multiple slides together. Here I have selected slide number 5 and slide number 7 and I am applying a new design for the selected slides only. After the modification, let's check the slideshow once again. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.